All right, here we got a rough in. We got the toilet, cleaning out 3-inch sink, shower. We had that pipe running for laundry upstairs. We got a floor drain. Here's the vent for the floor drain. We got the trap primer, waters for it. Rough-in is complete. We have the shower drain, the shower valve with a handheld diverter. Water's running. Got all my waters in the joist space, nice and warm up there for them. Got the water for the toilet. Yeah, pretty easy duty here. Here we have 3/4 main lines running all the way to the water heater. Right here. Pretty fair job. Here we got the covered concrete for the 2-inch stacks. One in the corner and one next to this laundry tray that we repiped on groundwork. That's basic plumbing in America, baby.